Doing spirituality from ego versus being spiritual from the spirit. So, this is the title of the video, and but but I actually wanted to do a video on another topic. Okay, so I started my video with another topic, and the topic was why I failed at my job for straight 5 years. This was a topic that I had intended to do, okay, but I got digressed, and this was a topic which I really ended up. The topic you can see in the as a title of the video. So now this is the topic of my video. Now I'm gonna attach the video that I really intended to do. Okay, so don't bother yourself with how I start the video, but eventually you're gonna know this is the title of the video, that is um, doing spirituality from ego versus being spiritual from the spirit. Why I failed at my job as a teacher for straight 5 years. So it is going to be a spiritual perspective completely. Now, what is a spiritual perspective? So I got a few lines for you. That is from the song Piya Milenge from movie Ranjana. I just love the song, and I think it's a very spiritual song with Sukhwinder's voice, which is very brave in itself. And yeah, so I just got a few lyrics for you to tell. जो है देखा वही देखा तो क्या देखा है, देखो वो जो औरों ने ना कभी देखा है. So these lines, when they really come into the form of the music that song has, it's beautiful. So yeah, I just love that song on a serious note. I mean, it's too spiritual and it just speak volumes, when you listen to it. I go into some like kind of a heaven, for a moment. So yeah, that is what a spiritual perspective is, when you see beyond. जो सबको दिख रहा है वो तो सब देख ही रहे हैं यार. जो किसी को नहीं दिख रहा है जो वो देख लेता है, ये कोई ईगो की बात नहीं है, ठीक है, कि तुमने वो देख लिया जो कोई देख नहीं पा रहा. आई डोंट नो, लोग स्पिरिचुअलिटी को भी ईगो लोगों को, आई डोंट नो, मुझे लगता है स्पिरिचुअलिटी को भी लोग ईगो, अपनी ईगो से मेजर करना चाहते हैं कि कौन ज़्यादा स्पिरिचुअल है, कौन कम स्पिरिचुअल है. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. और मैं देखती हूँ बहुत सारी यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखती हूँ मैं, मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है देखकर, कि लोग जो स्पिरिचुअलिटी में जा भी रहे हैं वो अपनी ईगो में जा रहे हैं, और ये तो उन्हें और नीचे ले जाएगा. मतलब मैं देखती हूँ, तुम फ्यूचर जान लो अपना, ये कर लो, तीसरी आँख खोल लो, चक्रा खोल लो, कुंडली खोल लो. मैं सच बता रही हूँ, मैंने जितनी अपनी स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी कैरी और फॉरवर्ड करी है ना, ये इतनी सिंपल है, इतनी सिंपल है कि आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो. इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट डूइंग बिग थिंग्स. मेडिटेशन कर लेना, ध्यान में चले जाना, या चक्रा खोल लेना, या एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू वन थिंग, इस दुनिया की जितनी भी ब्यूटीफुल स्पिरिचुअल पावर्स है ना, वो सबसे हम्बल और सबसे काइंड इंसानों में आती है, जिनका दिल बहुत प्योर है. यूनिवर्स यूनिवर्स आपका बाप है. ठीक है, आपको क्या लग रहा है, लेकिन आउटस्मार्ट यूनिवर्स, नो, उसे पता है, वो अपनी पावर्स उन्हीं को रिवील करता है, वो अपनी पावर्स उन्हीं को देता है. यूनिवर्स अपनी पावर्स उन्हीं को रिवील करता है जिन्होंने अपने आप को प्योरीफाई कर लिया. वो रियली गॉन टू एन ईगो दैट. एंड लिटरली स्पिरिचुअलिटी का मतलब ये भी नहीं होता है दैट spirituality also doesn't mean that you become like Gandhiji or something like that. You're like all love and everything, and it's just, you cannot fake love, okay? You have to really feel it inside. So you have to work on your root, okay? आपको अपनी जड़ पे काम करना है, ठीक है. लोग जड़ पे काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, अपनी ईगो में ना स्पिरिचुअलिटी को वो समझते हैं कि तीसरी आँख खोल लेना या चक्रा खोल लेना, आई डोंट नो व्हाट, या कुंडली जागृत कर लेना. दैट्स नॉट व्हाट स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज. आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट्स द मोस्ट सिंपल थिंग. इट्स जो सच्चे स्पिरिचुअल लोग हैं ना, उनको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा वो कुछ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. उनको ऐसा लगेगा वो पीछे जा रहे हैं, उनको लगेगा वो घर पहुंच रहे हैं. ओके, उन्हें सुकून की फीलिंग होगी, ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि आप कुछ अचीव कर रहे हो, ऐसे कुछ अचीव वाली फीलिंग नहीं होगी, ऐसी फीलिंग होगी जैसे यू कमिंग होम, यू फीलिंग पीस इनसाइड। आई डोंट नो, मैं उस दिन शिव शक्ति देख रही थी। It's a very beautiful show, and of course it has many stories, of Shiva and Shakti together, and I love that show. And there is again another one, Lakshmi Narayan. Also, I'm watching that. I've never been that girl, okay, who watched these shows. I found it quite boring at some point in my life, but now I'm like, wow, there's so much profound wisdom in them, you know. Yeah. This, how did I miss on these super duper beautiful stories? So yeah, I was watching Lakshmi Narayana actually, and उसमें हिरण्यकश्यप होता है. So he goes and asks Narayan, okay, I don't know, he goes and asks Brahma, okay, वो तपस्या करते हैं. तो ये एग्जाम्पल है स्पिरिचुअलिटी को जो लोग समझते हैं कि मतलब वो कोई अचीव करने जैसी चीज़ है, ठीक है, तो लोग तपस्या कर रहे हैं बैठ के, हिरण्यकश्यप और उसका भाई है, पता नहीं कोई है, तो ये दोनों बंदे बैठ के तपस्या कर रहे हैं, एंड दे आर वेरी मच लाइक दैट हमें वी वांट स्पिरिचुअल पावर्स, ठीक है, और तो ये तपस्या कर रहे हैं, करते हैं, एंड ब्रह्मा कम्स एंड गिव्स देम दी ब्लेसिंग. वाई? बिकॉज ही नोज इट इज़ फ्री विल. ओके, ब्रह्मा नोज दैट उसको उनका कर्मा करना है. ओके, एंड ही ऑल्सो, sorry, I had to cut the video in between. So yes, Brahma gave them, there were these two, I guess, brothers. So he gave them the boon, the blessings, because of, there is free will, and then there is, um, now why there is free will, it is also there so that everyone can have an experience, of what is like, you know being away from God. When you betray the God within you, what it is really like, okay, when you betray the God within you and you get into your ego, what is it really like? So that is why there is free will, so that you can go and experiment, and see it for yourself. Okay, so so now these two people, they ask their own blessings, so Hiranyakashipu asked that I cannot, give me the boon that I can not be killed in day, neither in night, neither in neither inside nor outside, neither by an animal, neither by a god, or something like this. So neither by a man, neither by a god, something like this. He asked these blessings. Okay, so छोटा दिमाग छोटी ब्लेसिंग. छोटा दिमाग में छोटी ब्लेसिंग मांगेगा. यही तो ईगो करती है. ईगो क्या करती है? ईगो को लगता है कि स्पिरिचुअल गिफ्ट्स ले लो. इट्स लाइक एडिंग अप योर स्पिरिचुअल गिफ्ट्स. ईगो को लगता है कि स्पिरिचुअल गिफ्ट्स को एड अप करना है, ठीक है. और ईगो स्पिरिचुअलिटी को भी कहीं ना कहीं एक रेस की तरह महसूस करती है. इट्स लाइक अ कॉम्पिटिशन. ठीक है, लाइक, एंड बट जो स्पिरिट, a person who is really in his spirit, one is that they will very naturally feel love, okay, unconditional love for the greater good, okay, and sometimes that also means that, for example, our nature, हमारी नेचर जो है, हमारी जो प्रकृति है, उसका जो स्पिरिट है, how it always look for the greater good, so sometimes she has to go and do the destruction, floods आते हैं, earthquakes आते हैं, so she has to go and do the destruction, for the greater good. Okay, so sometimes greater good also looks like this, yeah. So for example, Krishna, for the theme of greater good, what he did, for the theme of greater good, he had to kill Kauravas, right? For the theme of greater good, he had to kill Kauravas, and of course Kauravas thought that the god himself was their enemy, so yeah, ego is very small, you know. Ego thinks like that. Whereas when you are in your spirit, you will yourself feel very fulfilled. Okay, आपको ऐसा फील होगा कि आपको अपने आप में एक सेटिस्फैक्शन रहेगी, एक फुलफिलमेंट रहेगी. यू डोंट फील लाइक एडिंग अप. आपको आपके अंदर ही, यू नो, यू विल feel God within you. Okay, and you won't feel like कि you need these and these spiritual gifts, या आपको तीसरी आँख खोलनी है, कुंडलिनी करनी है. सच बात तो यह है कि स्पिरिचुअलिटी इतनी सिंपल है दैट इट इज़ समटाइम्स अनबिलीवेबल. हमारे गॉड्स इतने सिंपल है दैट इट इज़ समटाइम्स वेरी अनबिलीवेबल. लिटरली. So yeah, it just works like that. Yeah, that was my point to tell you the story, you know, that these, you know, ego thinks that way. Okay, ego thinks that spirituality is about adding up. Okay, or it is also some kind of a competition, you know, but no, it is not. You know, it is somebody who is in more ego will feel desires, more and more desires, you know. Ego wants to feel special always. But spirit already knows that you are special. When you get in your spirit, when you find God within you, really you reach that level, आपको पता चलेगा आप स्पेशल हो. इट्स अ रिमेम्बरेंस ऑफ योर स्पेशलिटी. ओके, क्योंकि आप भूल गए हो. नाउ ego is trying to gather it. You cannot gather it. You have to empty yourself out, and in that nothingness only you will feel special. Okay, and it doesn't matter कि बाहर वाला क्या है. Okay, but you will feel special. Also would like to mention one more thing. ऐसा नहीं है कि spiritual लोग होते हैं, their third eye or their chakras are not, you know, they are, it's not open or something like this. But sometimes they have their chakras open, sometimes yes, they have their kundalini raised, you know, and they don't know themselves. On a serious note, I'm telling you this. Okay, you know, you have to, it's not like you have to always start your spirituality with certain, in a certain way. Okay, like there is some bookish, you know, way of starting it. It is very personal. Okay, so some people may get drawn towards it, towards kundalini, towards getting the chakras open, or towards a third eye, but not from the sense of ego. But it's like maybe the spirit is calling for it, because maybe they might have it, maybe it's a continuation of their past life. You know, they have been doing it in their past life, and now, and it doesn't matter even if they're doing in past life, it could be wrong as well, you know. Maybe their calling is not that, you know. So you really have to figure it out on your own, you know, what is your calling. Okay, and I quite, I in the beginning I never kind of meditated or something like that. Sometimes I do meditate, and sometimes there are times when, you know, really my meditation works. There are very few those times are there, and then there are those times when I sit in meditation and I feel like my body has really burned up, you know. And though I don't want to conclude the feeling that it is not working, meditation is not working, but sometimes I don't feel like, you know, something has really worked in me. Sometimes you know, get up not feeling right. Okay, and there are days when I get up from meditation feeling so right. Okay, so as I said, I'm still on my spiritual journey and I'm still, you know, working on that part. But what I really mean to say is that I am not completely negating the third eye or opening kundalini or something like that. But what I really was trying to target was the fact that people think, if you're going to think of spirituality from your ego, then it's not going to work for you. That's the only point that I really wanted to make here. You know, you cannot understand spirituality from your ego. It's not like gathering up, it's not like adding up, it's like removing stuff, it's like feeling peace. You can really call yourself spiritual if you feel more peaceful, more joyful, if you're feeling like that. Spirituality is not like you feeling more, um, you feel you having a you go to somebody and somebody asks, is your spirituality really working, and you tell them my third eye is open when this is open. No, that's not spirituality. Spirituality is really working if you're feeling more joyful, even if the external things are not in your favor. Okay, and you can still find your center of happiness, okay, inside of you. Then that is what I would call real spirituality. It doesn't matter, maybe you have your chakras open and you don't know about it, but if you are somebody, and you know how simply a kid can do that. A child doesn't care what is happening. If he wants to play, he wants to play, and he will play along. Okay, he's not gonna sit, you know in some corner and just, you know give into his pain, give into his misery, give into his traumas. He is somebody that, you know would do what he wants to do, in he's happy, in playing, and he doesn't care कि इसके साथ क्या हुआ या क्या होगा. He wants to enjoy the present moment, he just wants to play. So there is nothing more spiritual than a kid. That is what I'm trying to say here, that spirituality is as simple as just coming home. जब आप घर जाते हो, you know I have seen many people do that. When they go outside, they have a lot of layers. They try to have a lot of filters, when they interact with other people. But when they come home, it's a kind of a peace, sukoon, and you don't compete at home. It's like, it's you don't compete at home. It's like a feeling of fulfillment that ghar aa gaye. That's how it works.